Because Collab privileges the health and security of its customers and peers, we gathered some useful guidances to make the best of your remote contact center workforce. First and most important, be connected to the world. Nowadays, cloud-based architectures are essential tools to keep your business continuity. We strongly advise the usage of virtual private networks as they provide more secure connections between you and your peers. Keep an eye on your network traffic and avoid overloading your VPN connection with unnecessary traffic for your work. Hardware matters. For keeping up with the good work, employees must have functional devices and feel that working at home is no different than in the office. Something missing on your desk? Ship it safely to your address. Take care of your core business. Ensure staffing levels and be considerate with your employees. Having a backup pool of staff or contracting an outsource provider are options to consider. Have in mind that it's crucial that your teams and employees must be capable of doing the same tasks or access the same files from different geographies. Routines are very important as well. Pick up the right place at home to establish your office. Remember to stay connected with your team. Video meetings are a smart choice to motivate your peers to participate more often. Unplug from work can be challenging sometimes. Don't forget to drink plenty of water, make time for meals and breaks, do some home exercise and spend time with your family and kids. Prepare your metrics. Planning your company resources on times of crisis is a real challenge. Maintain your focus on productivity indicators. Use predictive mathematics to strategize demand and adapt to best and worst case scenarios. Don't forget to clean up your queues. Still at the office? Establish sanitary and health measures across all the office and the contact center. Keep disinfectant wipes or hand sanitizer around. Increase spacing between chairs. Do not allow headset sharing. Leverage online tools. The best way to optimize your company productivity is to keep all your resources organized in one place. For example, Microsoft Teams is a unified communication and collaboration platform that combines persistent workplace chat, video meetings, file sharing and editing and other useful applications on your desk. Rely on cloud providers for file sharing. Make the most of file transfer web services and use chat applications to be in touch with your colleagues. In times of crisis, it is important to always take care of others and yourself. Remember all these steps to keep your business running and thriving even in contingency scenarios. Stay at home safe and protect your community. Together, we will lead our way to success. To learn more, download the full Best Practices on Remote Work Guide.